How to change wallpaper on desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your wallpaper on desktop. So it's a pretty easy process. Just if you're using Windows 10, just right click on your mouse and just head over to this personalize option. So it basically opens up the customizable picture over here. There's a background, so you can choose your background option to be picture or solid color or also slideshow or Windows Spotlight. So for now I'll simply show you by using a picture, and as you can see I've already uploaded so many pictures over here. You can also actually upload a new one if you want by simply tapping on this browse button over here and just open up any of the pictures from your gallery or your downloads or any other folders directory and just choose any of the one of the picture, and just like that you shall be successfully able to change your wallpaper on your desktop just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.